Welcome guys! Today's question is how to toggle full screen in Premiere Pro. To resolve that problem, just go to Premiere Pro, then you go to keyboard shortcuts, and now if you're inputting here full screen, you will see that actually the shortcut to toggle full screen in my case is 5, but usually it is Command and some letter on the keyboard. I like to have it real simple, so I just chose to have it when pressing 5. So please have a look at your screen and see where the toggle full screen keyboard shortcut is set for you, and you can change that to whatever you want. To change it, you can easily select it, and you can actually just drag and drop that to one of the keys here, and then that's gonna be the new key to toggle full screen. So in my case it's 5, so I'll just click OK, and now when I toggle to 5, you will see that I'm actually in full screen mode and I can play my footage. So there you have it. This is the main shortcut to toggle full screen. There are some other handy shortcuts that you can use to toggle to not exactly a real full screen, but still very useful keyboard shortcuts. So in my case, I have one on the number 4. Whenever I press 4, when the program window is selected, it will maximize that window. This is an incredibly useful shortcut. It will actually maximize every window in Premiere Pro. So if I'm in the timeline, I press 4, I have the timeline in full screen. If I'm in the program window, I press 4, I have the program window in full screen. And so that is extremely useful, and I use that all the time in Premiere Pro. If you would like to set that keyboard shortcut, just go to keyboard shortcuts again, and you just need to set the maximize or restore active frame shortcut. Very useful. And last but not least, inside of the program window, I also have another 2 shortcuts to actually zoom in or zoom out the monitor, which will look like this. This is also very useful because sometimes you want to see how it looks like on a smaller screen, on a bigger screen, and this is actually also something you can use even if the program window is not maximized. I can also toggle those 2 commands here. So if you would like to set that, go to keyboard shortcuts again, and you will need to set the 2 keyboard shortcuts, zoom monitor in and zoom monitor out. You will see here zoom monitor in, I got that on P, and zoom monitor out, I got that on O. So there you have it, the 3 or let's say 4 most important shortcuts when it comes to the size of your footage. The full screen, the real full screen shortcut, and the maximizing windows shortcut, and the zoom in and zoom out the monitor shortcuts. With those 4 shortcuts, you're perfectly set and your workflow is gonna drastically be improved. I hope you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. So when I got some updates on my channel, you will receive them immediately. Have a great day, guys. Bye.